Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We urge the BJP leadership to make its position clear immediately or publicly admit its inability to form the government. Various MLAs across the party lines have approached the Congress party with a request to take lead in the formation of the government. We appeal to all the non-BJP elected MLAs to use their wisdom and take steps to ensure that the people of Goa get a full-fledged and democratically elected government immediately. It appears that the claims made by the BJP of having 20 plus MLAs on its side, including MLAs from non-BJP political party and independents, is false, malicious and misleading. We also appeal to the BJP MLAs who believe in democracy to use their wisdom and ensure that people of Goa are not deprived of their right to have a full-fledged government in place. Congress party is open for all options to ensure that a non-BJP government is formed in Goa, which will actually uphold the verdict of 2022 assembly polls. आमची लिडरशिप हा सगळे जाण आमदारी म्हटलं कितें इतले दीस जाले आता कितले दीस जाले सरकारच जायना म्हणजे
तुम्ही सगळे जर एकठांय येयले जाल्यार 20 जातले ते 20 ते हा तुका बीजेपी फोडची पडटली
ना फोडपाचे न फोडपाचो हो प्रश्न सेपरेट पण लोकांची अपेक्षा लोकांक सरकार जाय लोकांक सरकार जाय
बरें मायकलान म्हणलेले 5 सुमार काउंटिंग जातकीर आमी शपथ घेवपाक राज्यपाला कडेन खंय पावले तुगेले ते मायकल
आमच्या वाटेनसून जे वोट शेअर आमकां पडोंक जाय आसलो तो पडोंक ना पीपल वोटेड 66%, 67% अगेन्स्ट द भारतीय जनता पार्टी गव्हर्मेंट बट वोट्स वेंट इन 6 वेज आमकां वोट जे मेळोंक जाय आसले म्हाका दिसता आमी खंय तरी कमी पडले लोकां कडेन पावपाक आनी सांगपाक तांकां.
Now, how are you allowing this kind of a situation? It's a constitutional impasse, I call it. We don't have a government of the day in the chair. And how is the administration working? And that is why I charge the governor to perform his duties. He cannot abdicate his duties, constitutional mandate. He should call upon them or he should take action in terms of the constitution.